Okay, so my unit and output costing, fourth problem we have completed. Now let us see the fifth question. From the following particulars, prepare a cost statement showing the component of total cost and profit for the year ended 31st December 1995 he has given. Okay, what we have to do here? We have to prepare a cost sheet. Okay, so what information he has given once you see here. Stock of finished goods, opening, closing, nothing but opening stock of finished goods, closing stock of finished goods. Stock of raw material, opening stock 40,000, closing stock 50,000. Work in progress, opening stock 15,000 and closing 10,000. Okay, next, purchase of raw material, carriage inwards, wages, work manager's salary, factory employee salary, factory rent and taxes, insurance, power expenses, other production expenses, sales for the year, income tax, dividend, interest, transfer or sinking fund, goodwill, payment of sales tax. These we should not take. Why? Because here we are preparing a cost sheet, nothing but for preparing a one product, how much cost it has done and the different overheads that we are preparing. So that's why these things we should not take here. Income tax, dividend, interest on debentures, transfer to sinking fund, goodwill, return of payment of sales tax we should not take. General expenses we have to take. Okay, so this is the question, this is the fifth question. So now once you see the answer here, so first, opening stock of raw material. Opening stock of raw material, how much he has given in the question? 40,000. Purchase of raw material, 4,75,000. For that, add carriage inwards, 12,500. Total, how much you got, ma? 5,27,500. From that, minus closing stock of raw material, 50,000. Deduct it. Okay. Next, add wages. Okay. A wages, 1,75,000. Add. Then prime cost, this is nothing but this is the prime cost. Prime cost, how much you got here? 6,52,500. So prime cost is how much ma here? 6,52,500 is the prime cost. Okay, next, after that add factory overhead. Under factory overhead, factory related items, expenses you have to take. Works manager salary, factory employee salary, factory rent and taxes and insurance, power expenses, other production expenses, and opening stock of work in progress, beginning and nothing but opening stock of work in progress and closing stock of work in progress. Okay, after doing all this, how much you got here? 1,54,750. This amount should be added to the prime cost. Then work cost, how much you got? 8,07,250 work cost you got. Next, after that administration or office overhead, general expenses. Okay, general expenses, how much you got here? 32,500. So add opening stock of finished goods minus closing stock of finished goods. So finally, how much you got here? 23,500. So cost of production is 8,30,750. Next, finally, what we have to do? Office overhead should be added to the work cost. Then finally, selling and distribution overhead. Cost of sales. Cost of sales is how much? 8 lakhs. So cost of sales is how much, ma? 8,30,750. And okay, why? Because selling and distribution is not given. So selling and distribution is not given here. Okay, see ma here. So work cost. So work cost and this office overhead expenses should be added, 23,500. Then finally cost of production is how much? 8,30,750. For this cost of production, what? Okay, for this work cost, what we have to do? We have to add the cost of office expenses we have to add, and finally we will be getting a cost of production. Next, what we have to do? We have to add the selling and distribution overhead. Okay, selling and distribution overhead expenses we don't have anything, so that's why it is nil. Okay, next, after that cost of sales. Cost of sales is how much ma here? 8,30,000. Okay, cost of sales how much ma? 8,30,750. Next, in the question what he has given? Sales he has given. So sales we have to take. From sales deduct the cost of sales. From sales deduct the cost of sales, and finally we will be getting a profit. Okay, finally we will be getting a profit. This is the question number 5.